Hi, I'm Dean Ramsey.
And I'm Kyle Williams.
Behind the camera we got Addison Morgan. Today we're going to bust some myths on relative motion. So for our experiment, our budget's so high we are able to acquire a testing box. Alright, so what we're going to do with this testing box is we're going to drop it out of the back of a moving vehicle at two different speeds. First at 10 miles an hour and then 15 miles an hour. What we're going to see is if the added speed will add to distance the box travels forward once it's dropped straight down. For our control test, we'll be standing in the back of the truck and we'll drop the box with no speed at all.
We believe that at higher speeds, after dropping the box, it will move more away from where we dropped it at.
So now that you know a little bit more about our experiment,
Here's a little word from our sponsors.
I'm Dean Ramsey here with Eddie Bauer's Shoes. We're going to talk to some people on the street and see what they think about their shoes. What's your name?
Addison Morgan.
Do you like your shoes?
I don't even have shoes right now.
You need some Eddie Bauer shoes. Eddie Bauer shoes, giving the right shoes to the wrong people.
Welcome back from the commercial break. Now it's time for us to go outside and actually do the experimenting.
Okay, so now it's time to test. And every good experiment starts with control. So for our control, we're going to drop our box off the back of the truck while not moving at all. Take it away, Kyle. That's it. As you can see, the box didn't travel forward at all, so that's our control. So now we're going to do the same test, dropping a box out of the back of the truck, but this time we're moving 10 miles an hour. Alright, so the first test is over. Now that was traveling 10 miles an hour in a straight line. And Kyle, how far did the box travel?
It moved about 5 AFs.
5 AFs. That's awesome. Let's go on to test number 2. Alright, so for test number 2, we're going to be traveling 20 miles an hour and we're going to see if the box travels farther. Alright, so for this test, we're going to back up a little more so we can get some speed. Alright, so that was test number 2 at 20 miles an hour. And Kyle, how far did the box travel?
It went 16 AFs this time.
16 AFs. So now we should have all the data we need to come to a conclusion. We'll see you back in the lab. Wow, that was exciting. Alright, so let's go over our results. What were our two different distances and our two different speeds?
Well, when we were moving 10 miles an hour, the box moved 5 AFs from where we had originally dropped it at. And then at 20 miles an hour, it moved 16 AFs. So when we move faster, the box moves farther.
About 10 AFs farther when traveling 10 miles per hour faster. There you go. Well, that's it from us in relative motion. Enjoy the rest of your day. So for our experiment, we're going to test if a box...
Hey!
Alright, so now it's time to test. So now it's time to test. And every good experiment starts with control. Wow, that was exciting. Alright.